Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest account's security and privacy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable Google Login on the Pinterest app. Whether you're tightening your online security or simply want to manage your login options, this quick guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. Next, find the gear icon or the word Settings, which is typically in the top right corner. Tap on Settings to open up the menu where you can adjust your account preferences. This is where you'll find all the options related to your profile, privacy, and security. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Security. Tap on Security to open a new set of options. Here, you'll see something called Login Options. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Login Options menu, you'll see all the different ways you can log in to your Pinterest account, including Google, Facebook, or your email address. To disable Google Login, simply find the toggle switch next to the Google option. If the switch is on, tap it once to turn it off. You'll see the switch change color or move to the left, indicating that Google Login has been disabled for your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google as a login method from your Pinterest app. From now on, you'll need to use one of your other login options, like your email or another connected account, to sign in. Taking a moment to review your login options is a smart way to keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media privacy and security. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.